Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Google account or a G Suite for education address and a stable browser. Open Classroom. Google, Com or the Classroom app and sign in with the chosen account. Once signed in, click the plus icon to create or join a class. This is the first actionable step because it establishes your role. Make sure to pick teacher if you will manage classes, choose student only if you will join. This avoids permission issues later and speeds setup. You now create the class itself. Click Create Class, enter the class name, then optionally add section, subject, and room. Once done, use the About and Settings tabs to set grading categories, enable or disable the stream, and add guardian email options if required. Make sure to check who can post and comment. This controls student interaction. Copy or customize the auto-generated class code to invite students. If reusing codes, understand they persist until you reset them. You finish by inviting students. Share the class code or send email invites and confirm permissions for posting and grading. Then post a welcome announcement and create a simple assignment to verify submissions, attachments, and drive links work. Once everything is visible to a test student account, finalize settings. If something goes wrong, try resetting the class code, verify the account is not restricted by your domain, and clear browser cache. That single troubleshooting tip solves most
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.